Did you know the average creator on Whoop is making over 10 million naira every single month? And no, this isn't a joke. Thousands of people are quitting their 9 to 5 jobs and dropping out of school for just this website and just what they make on this platform, just to cash out big time online. In this video, I will be showing you exactly how you can launch your own digital business and start making money like a pro on the Whoop app or the Whoop website. Don't sleep on this one. Don't you sleep on this one, because in this 2025 we have to cash out. Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you are seeing this video for the very first time, this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If this looks like a content that you like, please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, as this encourages us to create more content like this to help you fast track your financial journey. With that being said, guys, let's head straight into the video. It looks like I'll be sharing with you reviews and comments of people that are actually making money on this particular website. It says the average creator on Whoop makes $7,382 per month. There are over 10,000 plus creators on Whoop earning an income. Join the group of people dropping out of school and quitting their 9 to 5 jobs and launch your own business. Now, this is more or less like a business platform, and these are what their members have to say. They have over 79,000 members. This website also has about 2 million visits every month, so you don't need to market anything. Their website is okay. Their website is a marketable website, more or less like Amazon, but it is for digital products. So with that being said, guys, let's check out reviews and what people are saying about this website. It says the best app right now. This review was written about 4th of April. The next one, it says Whoop is the best. Someone else, Smoked, actually said, love Whoop, been using it for a while now. I feel like it's a great place to build as a community of detected members. Mike say, really liking this app so far. So as you can see, they have like a 4.8 star rating. In fact, they also have like 5-star rating on this particular platform because of what they do. It says, you really changed my life. If you are looking for a website that will help you upscale your financial life, this is the website for you. So if you like it, you can just do well to send me a request or type in the comment section that I should send you the link to the website, and I will send you the link personally to the website. Now, these people are people on the platform. If you need a guide or you need something else on this particular website, they have a university, and aside that university, they have a lot of recordings of people that have been on the platform. It doesn't matter whether you're black or you're fair, as you can see, or you're white or you're Spanish. It doesn't matter. As you can see, there are blacks on this website and there are Americans on this website. There are a lot of people on this website. It accepts people worldwide. So if you are looking for a website that will accept you worldwide to put in your digital product, this is the website for you. Also, there are free websites that you can get free digital products from. There are a lot of free PLR websites that you can get free digital products that you actually upload on this platform, and they will use their over 2 million followers to actually bring you sales and you make your own money. So it is as simple as that. If you want me to create a video about PLR website, like publish free websites with publishers' rights that you can actually use or upload on this particular platform, do well to state it in the comment section. Just type PLR. If I'm able to get enough comment of the PLR, I will actually make a full video of how you can sign up on that PLR website for free and download their ebooks for free, ebooks that you can come on this particular website and actually sell for free. So this is the main Whoop platform. It says the Make Money app. So all you have to do is to click on this sign up button where you'll be signing up on their platform. You have to input your email address. After you input your email address, please make sure it is a Gmail, not a Yahoo mail. So after you input your Gmail address, you click on continue. They'll send you a verification code to your Gmail where you check it and then you input the numbers or digits on the verification code. Now, after that, the next thing is you have to add your phone number. You choose where you are actually signing up from. It is a worldwide website that accepts people from anywhere they are in the world. So as you can see, they have a lot of countries on the platform. Now I have to look for Nigeria because I am based in Nigeria and I am not even using a VPN, so I have to look for Nigeria and input my phone number with the Nigeria code. Now after that, the next thing you see is that you need to pick a name. Yes, you pick a name that you want. A sample of a name is this John Doe. You can just write anything. After writing your name, the next thing is you have to ensure that the name is not the one they have on their website. Maybe you just add like a number. The next thing is you pick your username. Your username too, you add like a number to it. After that, you pick a profile picture. Any of these piggy avatars is perfect for you. After which you actually see a lot of niches on their platform where you can actually decide to join anyone. You can even join everything. They have a lot of niches for content creation on their platform. They have like whoop claps, they have like a lot, so you can decide to pick anyone you want for you to start creating your own content using that particular niche, or using stories that have been posted on those niches as your own guide. So this is more or less like a platform where you learn and you input whatever you learn from their platform. So they have a lot. You can research, check which one works well for you. If you want to join everything, you are welcome to actually join everything on the website. So now this is the OG of the day, the content reward platform. This is where you will land immediately you sign up. So after the signing up, you land on the content reward page. Now they pay content creators to create content for their platform. For this particular content one, this Whoop UGC content one, you will be paid $2 for every 1,000 viewers you send to their platform. For every 1,000 individual that click on your link or that you send to your platform, you'll be paid $2, as you can see here. And they have actually paid more than half of the estimated amount that they want to pay their creators. This second one is $4 for every 1,000 view you get, and you'll be paid as much as you can get views from them or give them views. This is how they have a lot of content reward program on this platform. So this is one of the first ways that you can actually make money using the Whoop app or the Whoop website. This is one of the significant ways. They have a lot of ways as well. They have the live streaming service. The live streaming service will also pay you. Now this is your own dashboard. This is where you yourself you come and create your own content, or you come and upload your own content. This is the page for it. Now the content you'll be uploading here are PLR books, or possibly, if you have a book or you've created an ebook, an electronic book that you want to sell, you come on this platform on your dashboard and actually upload it. You input your pricing and every other things that you have to input. Now they do not really charge you except someone buys from you. Now when someone buys from your ebook, or when someone buys from you, you get a certain amount of money. Now this is what my own profile looks like on their page. This is what it looks like. Finance Hustle. This is what you will see as my own profile on their page. This is the home page. So you see a lot of ebooks, you see a lot of things uploaded on this platform. People are actually buying them and people are getting paid. So for every views you get, for every shot you get paid on this platform for them. So this is another way that you can make money. They also have their affiliate earning. Once you input a link on your website or on your YouTube, you also get paid for affiliate earnings. So anyone that sign up using your own link, you get paid for that. So there are a lot of ways that you can earn money on this particular platform. So do well to state it in the comment section if you want me to elaborate more on any of the ways that you can make money using this Whoop platform. With that being said, if up to this level you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share, and I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.